I'm going to make a soothing bath soak with even more wonderful scents. This is a great way to help melt away any stress or worries that you're having. Now, the first thing you want to do is get Epsom salts and dump that in a nice big bowl. Then to that, I'm gonna add 2 different essential oils. I've got lavender. Oh, very calming, very soothing. And then a little bit of peppermint oil. It's very refreshing. And then go in with your hands. And you wanna really get that essential oil mixed in and coated on every single grain of salt. Even this process is therapeutic on its own. It's kind of like exfoliating my hand. That looks good, smells good. I'm ready for the rest of my ingredients. I have some baking soda here. When you add this to your bath, it'll make it a little fizzy. I also have pink Himalayan salt. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. I also have magnesium flakes. This is also great for any muscle pain, inflammation, draws out some of the toxins. Then, I already have lavender essential oil in here, but I just love how dried lavender looks and smells. It makes it nice and pretty. Just mix this all up. This looks great, and I'm just going to transfer it to a nice big jar. I like to keep this by my tub so that I can have it whenever I need to just de-stress, right? I need to just tune into myself, give myself a little attention, a little TLC, and there you have it, your own little mix of lavender bath salt soak.